Look, like everything around us is dirt.
There you go. What's that called? A butter?
Everything around us is dirt.
You
got this little bit of snow. Alright, so we're headed up to Beech Mountain. So we drove through the night. Now we're in Boone, North Carolina to go snowboarding. We're at the Lexington Inn. So we're getting some breakfast. They got us stacked over here. Biscuits and gravy. We got omelette. They even got hard-boiled eggs here. Look at this. Fruit. We arrived maybe 2 a.m. Went straight to sleep. Got 5 hours. 6 hours of sleep. And we're about to go snowboarding at Beech Mountain for the last day. Banner Elk. This is a quaint little area though. Just packing up the rental. Stretch it out before you go on the slope. You'll hurt yourself. It's our last day of the season.
I'll put my gloves on when I get.
Last time you saw Catalucci, if you haven't seen that video, go watch that video. We did 3 days in Catalucci. And now we're at Beech Mountain, man. This is snowboarding in Sanders World. We're going all the way up. This mountain's so much bigger. We're about to go down a mountain bike trail with a snowboard. We're at the top of Beech Mountain on the last day
That's my problem turning.
This is a good learning curve.
of snow season.
You just hopping in.
We brought a beginner with us,
Don't go on them rocks.
with my bro. Last day of the season. Last day of the season. Look what I'm looking at, yo. Look what I'm looking at. Crazy, dog. Crazy. The snow feels slushy. Feels watery. The snow feels good, man. Let's go see how many rounds we can get. We probably get like 5 hours in.
Got my hair braided in the bathroom. What's up?
Got a hair braided in the bathroom. I'm in a t-shirt, yo. Yeah. This is snowboarding in Sanders World. Let's go, Ram! Woo! Last day of the season. Everybody's lining up right now. Look at this. They're about to have the crossing the lake competition. All lining up. Let's see who can do it first. I got this whole ski lift to myself. That's what's up. Going back up. I got this whole place to myself. Again. Next time we're staying in one of those Airbnbs. Those are slick. Look at all the grass and all the dirt on the side. There's only a little bit of snow left. This is the last snow day of the season. Those Airbnbs are sick though. They're equipped with freaking hot tubs and you could just ski on, ski off. This is sick. It's like people try to catch enough speed so they can make it over a lake. They gotta get in that lake. And they're coming all the way from the top. All the way up there. Let's go! Oh! Wipeout! Sick. I could do this all day, just watch people wipe out.
Here's another one. Here's another one.
Oh! That's gotta be cold.
G. You missed the competition though, bro. I saw 2 people wipe out and like 5 people make it.
Somebody did a backflip.
What?
Yeah.
Damn.
That's pretty cool. That's what they said.
That's gonna be you, bro. I didn't want to do the cold one.
Last snow day of the season, I'm with the platypus.
Yeah, buddy. See? Rocking out. You going over the lake? You going over the lake thing? You would have made it though. Yeah, that platypus would have made it, bro. I keep telling Barney he would make it too.
Barney.
Dude, I'm fucking with the all pink though. All pink.
Thank you. It's my brand.
It's the last snow day of the season, man. It's sad.
It's so sad, bro.
It's sad, bro. I'm trying to shred all year, innit? We got the banana out here. We got the Cookie Monster.
Boo-boos and boo-boos.
They got battle scars out here in the Beech Mountain.
Sugar plum.
Beech Mountain battle scars. We out here. We got a few more hours left. Let's get it!
It's got it's sugar. He got it.
Woo! Look at the wolves. There's wolves. We got ET on that shit. Look at ET.
Huh?
Look at ET. ET baby. See him? How fast did you go today?
47.
No way. Literally snowboarded all day. I saw it was sunny. Now the sun's gone down. If you've seen my other videos, you know what we do after snowboarding day. We go find some barbecue. Rocks everywhere. It's rocky. We're about to go on the last run. Last run. Look where we're at. The snow was good today. It was a little slushy on one side, and then the other side you could see some rocks popping out, but overall the snow was pretty good. It's time to go, man. Them boys smoking the barbecue out here out of a gun. This is cool, man. This is sick, dude. Got the Smoky gun. There's barbecue in that gun? There's barbecue in the gun?
No.
That's
The
so
health
cool.
department won't let you do that.
It's always smoking?
We have it smoking because as you drive down the road,
You can
goes
see
in
it.
your air vents.
Oh, and you can smell. Oh, wow. Can't wait to try it.
It's wood cooked. It's pretty tasty.
Smoky Q's barbecue. We're about to try this out, man. They said they put smoke in the gun to attract because it gets in your car vents. Hey man, we went snowboarding all day. Now we're about to go to Smoky Q's barbecue. This is gonna be good, man. Yeah, they said they use the gun to catch people. It goes in their vents as they drive by.
Oh, that's-
and it's the barbecue smell.
This is my husband's favorite. If it's not, they say if you don't like the sweet, you're gonna like the Lexington. Same way, if you don't like the Lexington, you're gonna like the sweet.
Okay.
Or maybe you like a mix. This is our most popular. I think we sell about 20 gallons a week.
wow.
This is our second most popular sauce. So this is the vinegar. This is the Eastern Carolina vinegar.
That's what we came here for.
And then this is the Carolina Gold.
We're getting all
This
the
is our
fixings.
mustard. Those are all of our sauces. If we can get you anything else, let us know.
Thank you so
Smoky
much.
Q's
I'm so
barbecue.
excited.
Carolina barbecue, man. Started with some fried pickles. It's gonna end with some damn brisket. Loaded baked potato, collard green. They got one dessert on the menu, and it's banana pudding. Yeah, Smoky Q's barbecue. If you ever
Smoky
catch
Q's.
yourself in North Carolina by Beech Mountain, about 30 minutes from Beech Mountain. This is snowboarding in Sanders World. We had a whole day on Beech Mountain for the last day of the snow. And then we stopped at Smoky Q's barbecue and had an amazing dinner.